Welcome at Octopus. This is our tutorial for the refillable cartridges replacing Brother LC-3219 and LC-3217 cartridges. Our solution for these Brother inkjet cartridges consists of a set with 4 refillable and reusable single ink tanks. The refillable cartridges are made of see-through material. This provides the opportunity to check easily on the physical amount of ink being inside the cartridge. On their front side, the cartridges have a fill port for their printer ink. Below that port there is the opening for venting the cartridge. On the opposite side there is the ink port. When delivered, it is covered by foil material. We also want to point out the chip holder on the cartridge's upper side. Into that holder the alternative ink chips fit in. The points that speak for using the refillable cartridges are their huge ink volume, avoiding unnecessary waste by reusing the cartridges, the simple refill process, and that you have full control of the ink quality used inside the cartridges. Now we are going to demonstrate how to fill the refillable cartridge with the suitable pigmented refill ink. We begin by removing the colorless silicone plug out of the fill port for the refill ink. Please keep that plug for later use. For filling the refillable cartridges, it is important to know how much ink fits actually into the alternative single ink tanks. Into the big black cartridge, an amount of up to 60 ml refill ink fits in. The refillable alternatives for the colors cyan, magenta and yellow can take in each 22 ml refill ink. Depending on the volume of the used refill syringe, it is necessary to fill up the syringe with ink more than once to get the full 60 ml into the refillable. In our Octopus refill ink kits, there is a syringe kit included whose syringes have a volume of 10 ml. Due to the syringe volume, we split the 22 ml refill ink for the cyan cartridge into 2 fillings of the syringe and top up 2 ml ink at the end. It is important that the ink level inside the refillable cartridge does not exceed the fill port's lower edge when the refillable cartridge sits, as it will be positioned inside the printer later on. When the total amount of ink has been filled into the ink tank cartridge, it is time to close the fill port again. To make the refillable cartridge work physically during printing, it is compulsory that the fill port is closed with this plug. The suitable refill ink alone does not make a working refillable cartridge. Therefore, we are going to handle how to apply the alternative ink chip on the cartridge. When applying a chip, it has to be considered that the chips are color specific. That means a cyan cartridge requires a chip which is coded for cyan. There are also chips for magenta, yellow and black as well. In the chip holder on the refillable cartridge there are 4 little plastic pins. These pins support the correct positioning of the chip and hold on to the chip too. The counterparts for the pins are in the chip's board. There are 2 notches in the rear area of the chipboard and 2 holes next to the chip contacts. Placing the chip into the chip holder requires a bit practice. That is why we demonstrate it several times and from different perspectives. For us, the best way to do it turned out to start positioning the notches in the chip's rear section on the pins in the rear section in the chip holder and lowering down the chip into the holder completely after that. Finally, press the chip gently into the holder and on the pins. The chips are sensitive towards static discharge. Avoid touching the contacts on the chip and use some protection while pressing on the chip. Our refillable cartridge is filled and equipped with a new chip. Now we use it to replace this cyan cartridge shown with a low ink level. Make sure that on the refillable cartridge the fill port is closed by a plug and that the air vent is open, meaning that the plug has been removed there. In the following scene you will see that we have made a minor mistake when preparing the refillable cartridge. By pointing out that flaw to you, you don't have to repeat our mistake. The refillable cartridge is slided into its slot in the printer and clicked into position by pressing on the rear side. On the refillable cartridge, the air vent is open and the fill port is closed. Hereby we have used the blue plug from the air vent to close the fill port. Please do not get irritated by this. Beside that, we have removed the black L-clip from the flag on the cartridge's upper side. And as you can see, our refillable cartridge is recognized as a full cyan inkjet cartridge thanks to the new alternative ink chip. The refillable cartridge can be used now for printing documents and any other printout you would like. Please keep in mind that the ink level shown on the printer's or PC screen is an estimated value. The see-through refillable cartridges allow you to check on the physical ink level. Make sure that there is always sufficient ink inside the refillables. In the case that there is still ink inside the cartridge and the cartridge is shown as empty, you have to install a new ink chip on the cartridge and you should add refill ink to the cartridge too. Thank you very much for your time and attention. We hope that our tutorial provides some useful information to you.